You guys, I've been busy for a while, but yeah, I am really busy. I am spacing out, like literally. I mean, spacing out. My mind's obsessed with something, and you know, it really sucks because I can't do anything. I'm spacing out. I don't know what to say anymore. Like literally, I can't think anything. I am so obsessed in the movie cartoon that came out on 2023, but my first watch was on September 2, 2025. Yeah, and I watched it again and again on September 2 and September 5. That cartoon video is fantastic for me. I don't know if you know about it. Man, I am just sitting. It's like 1:39 a.m. Almost midnight. I mean, man, I think you know what feels. You know the feels like you watch a movie cartoon or something, and your soul like touched, like literally your soul got touched, and you want to go in that world, but yeah, it's all fake.